am Dr. Swachla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Diabetes in males can cause infertility. This can result in erectile dysfunction, low sperm count, motility, morphology, or spermatogenesis, which means that the production of sperms can be affected, and it affects the hypothalamus testis axis also. Hypothalamus releases hormones that are very important for spermatogenesis, which act on the testis, and this axis can be affected due to the disruption of hormones caused by diabetes, especially reduction in testosterone levels. Testicular dysfunction in diabetic males can be a very common cause of male infertility. It affects male infertility in two ways. One, by affecting the sperm, and two, by affecting the microenvironment around the sperm. Let's see how. It can affect the sperms by playing havoc on the DNA inside it. It can cause mitochondrial deficiency, which can result in low motility. The fertilization capacity of the sperm can also be affected due to diabetes. The microenvironment around the sperm is very important. The Sertoli cells, Leydig cells that are around these cells that are finally forming spermatogenesis are most important because they transfer the hormones that are necessary for the maturation of sperms. Sperms are in various stages of maturity, and each stage requires a boost of hormones. So when the microenvironment is affected by way of Sertoli cell damage or Leydig cell damage, spermatogenesis is also affected. These sperms may be not able to mature to the right stage, and thereby can cause azoospermia also. Azoospermia is total lack of sperms. If you have diabetes and you are also grappling with male infertility, you wish to understand more about this and understand your treatment options, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.